2022. It's a new year. It's time for a new you, and it's time for another Blending with Henry Vitamix giveaway. Let's do this. Hey you guys, please support Blending with Henry by hitting that like and subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be alerted when new video content arrives. Now for more recipes, visit my website, blendingwithhenry.com. I teamed up with Vitamix and we're giving away a Vitamix Ascent A2500 to help you get a healthy start to the new year. Let's talk about the Vitamix Ascent A2500. Now, it comes with a 64-ounce multi-purpose blending container, tamper, recipe book, getting started guide, the welcome pamphlet for the Vitamix Rewards program, and of course, the infamous instruction booklet. Okay. Now, of course, I know some of you guys are not going to read it, but let's be real about that, okay? The front panel is designed to be chef style with manual controls such as the variable speed control dial with different speeds for chopping, mixing, and various types of your own recipes. Now on the other side of the dial are preset blend cycles for smoothies, frozen desserts, and hot soups with the corresponding blend time up top, which stops blending when the countdown timer reaches 0. Then you have your power on and off toggle switch. And over here, you have a pulse switch and you can adjust the pulse speeds with the control dial. The included 64-ounce container allows you to make lots of recipes, such as this pineapple salsa and my herb-infused creamy sweet onion soup recipe. Now for smaller recipes, you can order the optional 48-ounce container. The 20-ounce blending cup is great for nut milks and milkshakes. The 8-ounce bowl is great for milling spices and baby food. And the food processor attachment is great for making pizza dough as well as my favorite homemade potato chips. Now I also teamed up with the Blenditup company. Now you guys know I love Blenditup. I'm always talking about them. Now they make fantastic protein powders, vegan and non-vegan, as well as healthy soup mixes and their bee-free vegan honey. And all of that will be included with the Vitamix. Now, here are the contest rules. To enter the giveaway, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram, and post a comment your reasons for wanting to win the Vitamix Ascent A2500 package. Now, you must have a valid Facebook or Instagram account and tag 3 friends on either social media account to alert them about the Blending with Henry contest. Now, the winner will be chosen randomly between Facebook and Instagram. Now, one Vitamix Ascent Blenditup package will be awarded to one winner in the USA only. Now, the giveaway runs from January 17, 2021 through January 21, 2021, and the winner will be chosen and announced following the end of the giveaway. Before we end today's video, I want to talk to you guys for a quick minute. Now, why should you trust and continue supporting Blending with Henry? I demonstrate more blending recipes than anyone else on YouTube. I do more blender reviews with full demonstrations. Now, I've done the most Vitamix competition videos, comparing Vitamix to other brands. And of course, I've done more Vitamix machine giveaways on YouTube than others combined. Now, I don't just call myself a quote-unquote blender salesman. I like sharing the wealth and the experience. Now, if you buy your Vitamix through Blending with Henry, or you get one through my contest, you're supporting me and I appreciate you. Now this is a New Year's resolution that you can stick with because I'm providing the Vitamix and you create the delicious and healthy recipes. Now you guys make sure you get your friends, family, and all to enter the giveaway. This is a big one. You don't want to miss out on this. And best of luck to everyone.